Island. Good evening time. Oh, I hope it gets cranked.
Thought I heard something.
I hope it's still good.
We have been calling you for like 30 minutes.
Why?
Hey, 351.
To let you know that we're heading back home.
Your pistol bag.
Okay, well, the heck, I just turned the radio on.
I know, and I hear 913 down there in Ratchet Jawing, and I was trying to call him to see if he had heard from you, and he ain't even hearing me.
Well, where are you at?
I'm coming through, I'm passing Orangemont, apartments on 17.
She number one in the guy with the weight. Oh, the mustache.
Okay, all right. I was just wondering. Hey, WW, top of the day. 127 heard you too. Let me go back quiet.
You got station number one.
I'll see you in a few minutes.
Hello.
Come on.
8351, I got a whole room full of you. It's been a while. 8351, you did start off this video game for me. Hey, 351, I got a whole room full of you. 351, your 127 pistol video game rolling. Brian saying hello.
Ain't there? Yeah, 127. Yeah, I just I clicked it there just a moment ago. All right, man. I got you at my receiver. A127. You have a nice day, and sounding good back this way. We get back with you when we can.
A while, 351, but I'm not gonna lie. The first one I get. Hey, 351, I just put a brand new tube in there yesterday. 351, I just put a brand new glass up in there yesterday. 351, go ahead.
Well, it's kicking. It's smoking back this way. I'm just dipping and dabbing myself. All right, there, 127. Take care. Have a nice evening.
Check, 351, have a blessed day. Uh-oh. Station number one in the garden. Come on, let's ride. We're gonna have 127, 186 Mobile back